Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Shoot, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the right way to remove blemishes from this to this. Let's start. Alright guys, we are in Photoshop now and I'm gonna be showing you guys the method which is often used to remove blemishes, and also the one that I personally love. The first one is going to be Spot Healing Brush Tool. And why do I not like it? Let me show you guys. It's just that is quick, but you see there is the loss of texture here. So nope, not for me. And then we have the Patch Tool. It does maintain the texture, but it's softened. The texture is being softened. So let me show you guys what I prefer, which is the Healing Brush Tool. But before that, always remember when you're working on your photos, make sure that whatever that you're working on is non-destructive. So all you need to do is create a new layer and then you start to work on it. Then you select the Healing Brush Tool, make sure Sample Current and Below is selected, Current and Below. And let's start by pressing Alternate, Sample to the nearest point, and then start painting it over the blemish. We have a huge pimples here. And another one here. Right, I'm gonna speed this up, so see you guys soon after I remove all the blemishes. Alright, we are done with the Healing Brush Tool. Here is the before and after, before and after. So if you guys want to know more about a full workflow of portrait retouching, do subscribe to our channel because I'll be showing you guys how to get from this to this. So remember to subscribe to How to Shoot. I am Victor Tong. I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.